Today we are going to talk about FlexiFunnels, an AI-powered tool that helps you to generate complete websites and sales funnels in minutes without any coding. Many small business owners, freelancers, and marketers struggle to create websites and funnels quickly, often spending days to designing the pages, writing content, or connecting tools. FlexiFunnels uses AI to simplify this process, letting you launch websites and funnels much faster. In this video, I will explain what FlexiFunnels is, the key feature it offers, who it is useful for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal works with this tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explore simple tools and practical software that help small businesses, freelancers, and creators save time while building an online presence. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link in the description to explore FlexiFunnel and the AppSumo offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra stuff. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, FlexiFunnel is designed to help you to create websites and funnels using AI-generated content and layouts. Instead of manually designing pages, writing copy, and linking the forms, the AI generates a ready-to-use website or funnel based on your inputs. This can save hours of work and make online marketing much simpler for beginners and small business owners. One of the main features of FlexiFunnels is AI website generation. You provide some basic information about your business, niche, or product, then the AI creates a full website with pre-designed sections, images, and content. This is helpful if you want to get online quickly without spending time on design or writing. Another important feature is funnel creation. FlexiFunnels allows you to build sales funnels including landing pages, lead capture forms, email sequences, and checkout pages. The AI helps you structure the funnel for conversions, guiding visitors from first contact to purchase efficiently. FlexiFunnel also offers customization options. Even though the AI generates your website or funnel, you can easily adjust text, image, colors, or buttons to match your brand. This ensures that your site looks unique and professional while still benefiting from the automation. For small business owners, freelancers, and marketers, FlexiFunnel is especially useful because it reduces the technical barrier. You do not need any coding skills or design team or multiple tools to build a functional website or funnel. This is ideal if you want to test the ideas quickly, launch your product, or grow the online presence efficiently. Another advantage is automation of marketing tasks. FlexiFunnel can connect with your email services and integrate the basic marketing features, helping you capture leads and nurture them without manual effort. This is useful for anyone who wants a functional funnel without spending extra time to linking multiple tools. Now let's talk about the AppSumo's lifetime deal for this tool. FlexiFunnel is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. That means you pay once and get the long-term access. This is useful for small business owners or freelancers who want to generate websites and funnels without recurring subscription fees. The first AppSumo tier is usually suitable for beginners or solo users. It allows the basic AI-generated websites and funnels, which is enough if you want to start testing your ideas or launch one product. The next tier provides more flexibility. You can generate multiple websites and funnels and access advanced AI features and use the additional customization options. This works well for growing businesses or marketers who is handling several campaigns. High tier plans are designed for agencies or advanced users. These plans allow more websites and funnels and the higher traffic limit and more integrations. If you manage multiple clients or large campaigns, this tier gives maximum control and scalability. If you want to save time, build professional websites, and create sales funnels quickly, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link can be very helpful. You just select the tier that matches your needs and the offer will be applied automatically without any code or extra step. So overall, FlexiFunnel is a beginner-friendly yet powerful tool for generating AI websites and funnels. It helps small businesses, freelancers, and marketers to save time, reduce the complexity, and launch online campaigns with ease. So that's all for today's video about the FlexiFunnel and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.